If you own a business, bookkeeping is not just paperwork. It is the system that tells you where your money comes from, where it goes, and whether your business is actually healthy.
A lot of owners think bookkeeping is only for taxes. It is not. Good bookkeeping helps you make better decisions all year long.
Bookkeeping means recording your financial activity accurately and consistently. That includes sales, expenses, bills, payroll, loan payments, and what is happening in your bank accounts.
If those records are messy, your numbers are unreliable. And if your numbers are unreliable, every business decision becomes a guess.
There are 3 financial statements every business owner should understand: the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement.
Together, they answer 3 different questions. Are you profitable? What do you own and owe? And do you actually have cash available?
Your profit and loss statement shows revenue minus expenses over a period of time. This tells you whether your business made money on paper.
But remember, profit does not always mean cash in the bank. That is one of the biggest mistakes owners make.
The balance sheet is a snapshot of your business at a specific moment. It shows your assets, your liabilities, and your equity.
In simple terms, it shows what the business owns, what it owes, and what is left for the owner after those obligations.
The cash flow statement shows how money moved in and out of the business. This is critical because a profitable business can still run into trouble if cash is tight.
You cannot pay rent, payroll, or suppliers with profit on paper. You pay them with cash.
At a minimum, you should watch your revenue trends: gross profit, operating expenses, cash balance, accounts receivable, and debt obligations.
If customers are slow to pay, if expenses are rising faster than sales, or if debt is building up, your bookkeeping should help you spot that early.
The goal is not just to keep records. The goal is to understand your business well enough to lead it with confidence.
When your bookkeeping is accurate and your financial statements make sense to you, you stop reacting blindly and start running your business on purpose.